What is up, everyone? Eddie Vongse here. Thank you for tuning in to the channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for some amazing, wonderful, tasteful food recipes. So here today, we're going to be making some stir-fried clams, and let's get right into it. We're going to start off by getting the pan nice and hot. We're going to add some oil into it. We're going to add in our chopped garlic and sliced onions and Thai chili peppers. You can put as much pepper as you desire depending on your heat tolerance. Once the onion has become translucent, we're going to add a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. We're going to add a little bit of sesame seed oil. This right here will give it a nice aroma. Next, you want to add in your sweet peppers, julienne, and then, of course, the star of the dish, the clams. Oh, and I almost forgot, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. You cannot forget the fish sauce. And of course, a few tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken the broth. Then cover it with the lid and let it cook until all the clams pop open. That's how you know when the clams are cooked. Then turn off the heat. We are going to add the basil. Stir the basil in. Now this is my favorite part. Time to plate the dish. Are there any clams or seafood lovers out there? Let me know in the comments below. And also, if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it very much. Click the bell for future notifications when I post new videos and recipes. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I would greatly appreciate it very much. Until next time, Eddie Vongse signing off.